Understanding, wipe out, dive into the world of phrases. Hey there, language enthusiasts! In today's video, we'll dive deep into the English phrase, wipe out. You might have heard it in movies, songs, or in casual conversations. Let's break it down and understand its meaning and usage. At its most basic, wipe means to clean or remove something, especially by rubbing its surface with a cloth, a piece of paper, or one's hand. And out often means away from the inside. When you combine these two words, wipe out, in a literal sense, it often means to completely clean or remove something from a surface. Example, I wiped out the stain on my shirt. But like many English phrases, wipe out can also be used in a more figurative or metaphorical sense. Here are some of its popular usages. 1. To completely destroy or eliminate. 2. Example, the entire city was wiped out by the hurricane. 3. To fall or crash, especially in sports. 4. Example, while surfing, I wiped out on a huge wave. 5. To exhaust or tire someone. 6. Example, that workout completely wiped me out. 7. To kill or eradicate, often used in a dramatic context. 8. Example, the villain wanted to wipe out the hero's entire family. Remember, context is everything. The phrase can have different meanings based on the situation it's used in. Here are some tips. 1. Always pay attention to the context in which wipe out is used. It can help you determine the right meaning. 2. Practice using the phrase in various sentences to become familiar with its different meanings. 3. Engage in conversations or write sentences using wipe out to reinforce your learning. So, there you have it. Wipe out is a versatile phrase with multiple meanings ranging from literal to figurative. Next time you hear or read this phrase, you'll have a better grasp of its significance. We hope this video helped shed some light on wipe out and made your English learning journey a tad easier. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.